Once upon a time, there was a big, bad wolf.
Hey, I'm not bad. I'm just hungry. There's a difference.
Oh, I'm sorry. Once upon a time, there was a big, bad, hungry wolf.
Yeah. Wait. No, that's not what I...
It was getting near lunchtime, so that meant the wolf was hungry.
Yeah, I am hungry.
Very hungry.
Yeah, I'm starving.
He was so hungry, he could eat a pig.
Yeah, wait, what? A pig? Oh, because I'm a carnivore, right? Well, you know what? I actually do enjoy eating other things besides meat. Like those little poppy seed muffins. Ah, yum, those things are good.
He was so hungry that he could eat a whole entire pig.
Yeah, actually, you know what? I could. I'm so hungry. Yummy! Huh?
I'm not a pig! I'm an armadillo! There's a difference!
Oh, yeah? What kind of difference?
I don't taste like a pig.
And how do you know that?
Because I'm an armadillo.
So, you're not a pig because you taste like an armadillo.
Yeah.
So the wolf left the armadillo and went on his way.
What? But I'm so hungry!
The wolf wanted to eat pork.
What does an armadillo taste like?
Not good.
Nice, crispy bacon.
Well, will you just be quiet? I'm starving here.
Nope,
Oh yeah? And why not?
because I am the narrator.
What does that mean?
It means that I control the story.
Oh.
And in this story, the wolf wanted to eat pork.
But this anteater is right here!
Armadillo. But I know where you can find a pig.
Wait, you do?
Yes. Just don't eat me.
Wonderful. Listen to the armadillo.
Fine. You tell me where this little pig is, and I might consider letting you keep your yummy-looking ears.
Over the hill. That way.
Huh.
So the wolf went on his way.
But I'm hungry. Hey, get back here.
Freedom.
I don't want to walk so far where I could just eat that anteater instead. Can I just run after him? Real quick.
The wolf went on his way.
But, whoa!
The wolf walked on, getting hungrier and hungrier with each step.
You're not helping.
Wearily, he trudged on. Finally, when he thought he could stand it no longer,
I'm dying here!
he saw a house in the distance.
Huh? What house? Where? Oh, yeah! I see it! Hey! It's a house! Heh. Get it? Hey. Hey.
The wolf looked through the window.
Oh, what? Huh? Oh. Okay.
And inside, he saw a little pig just sitting down to eat his lunch.
Hey! He gets lunch and I don't?
The wolf was angry,
Yeah, I'm a little angry.
so he banged on the door.
Fine with me. Little pig, open up. I'm hungry, and the narrator says I have to eat you, so let me in.
Nice.
Thank you.
Not by the hairs of my chinny chin chin.
I'm guessing that's a no.
No! Are you crazy? I'm not letting you in here to eat me.
Now what? Got any bright ideas, narrator?
The wolf decided that if the pig wasn't going to open the door, he would just have to huff and puff and blow the house down.
Excuse me?
Go ahead, just try it.
Well, I am starving. And this house is made out of straw. I guess I could try it. Here's to me looking like an idiot.
So the wolf huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down.
Hey! What do you know? It actually worked! Come here, you little pork chop! What?
Don't eat me.
In case you haven't noticed, I'm starving, and the narrator said to eat you. So if you don't have any good reason, then I'll just...
I do.
What?
I have a brother who's a fatter than me. He lives in a house not too far from here. I'll take you to him. Just don't eat me.
Well,
And if you're still hungry after you eat him, then you can eat me too. See? It's a win-win.
well...
So the wolf agreed to the little pig's plan.
But I've got him right here! Why not just eat him?
So the wolf agreed to the little pig's plan.
Come on, this way.
So the big bad wolf followed the little pig.
Fine! And I'm not bad.
They continued on, the wolf getting hungrier and hungrier.
Hey! I am gonna eat you if we're not there in 5 seconds!
We're here.
Oh, finally!
But just as they got there, the little pig ran on ahead and into the safety of the stick house alongside his brother.
Wait, what?
The wolf was enraged.
Yeah, I just got duped by a pig! Because you gave him an escape!
The wolf went up to the door and beat upon it.
Hey, you little pigs! Open up! I'm hungry and I want to eat you!
You could be a bit more subtle.
I don't care! I'm starving! Of course not. Now what?
So the big bad wolf huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down.
I'm not bad. And haven't we been through this before? I'm getting a strong sense of deja vu.
Huff and puff.
But this house isn't made of straw. It's made of sticks. Sticks are stronger.
Huff and puff.
Fine, Miss Bossy. Ha! Yes! I'm so hungry, I'm gonna eat both of you!
Wait.
The wolf hesitated.
Are you serious?
Shush, please don't.
Ugh, now what?
You have a brother.
No kidding. Let me guess. He's fatter than the both of you, right?
Yes! And if you guys live, I'll lead you to him!
Look, I got duped with the first pig hiding in your house. Do you really think I'm dumb enough to make that mistake again?
So the wolf agreed to follow the pigs to their fatter brother's house.
Wait, what? No, I don't think so.
You heard the narrator!
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Yeah!
Dumb narrator.
I heard that. Get moving.
Yeah, I'm going.
As they walked along, all the wolf could think about was his growling stomach.
Just one little bite off the tail.
Just as the wolf thought he couldn't stand it any longer, they arrived at the third little pig's home.
Oh, thank you. I'm dying here.
But before the wolf even knew what was happening,
You gotta be kidding me! Not again!
the two little pigs ran into the safety of the brick house.
What? No!
The wolf was furious.
What the? Of course I'm furious! You just let them both escape! Again!
The wolf
Yeah, I'm way ahead of you. Hey! You little pigs! Open this door! I'm starving to death and I want to eat you! All of you! Every single last bite! Now open this door right now! Not by the hairs of our chinny chin chins!
So the big bad wolf huffed and puffed to blow the house down.
Are you kidding me? This house is made out of bricks! Not straw, not sticks, bricks. There is no way I'm gonna be able to blow this house over!
The wolf huffed and he puffed and he blew with all his might.
See? I told you!
But the house was too strong, and the big bad wolf couldn't blow it over.
Well, duh!
And the three little pigs remained safely inside the strong brick house.
Oh yeah? We'll see about that.
Wolf, where are you going?
To get a wrecking ball!
Oh, no, you can't do that. Wolves can't operate that type of equipment.
Yeah, they can't talk either.
Come back here.
Or what? You're gonna stop me?
Yes.
Well, this is so unfair. You're obviously on the pig's side. I don't even stand a chance. What kind of story is this?
It's my story because I am the narrator.
Well, what if I want to be the narrator? Huh?
It doesn't work that way.
Oh yeah? We'll just see about that.
Where are you going? Wolf, come back here.
Ow.
Aha! Wolf! Wolf, you're not supposed to be here. get back to your story.
I don't think so. Come here.
Hey, what are you doing? Wolf, let me go! Get your paws off me! Wolf, how dare you, son? What do you think you're doing? Get me out of here! Oh, no! I'm eating pork tonight!
Hey, Wolf.
What? No! You get back in that house and hide under a table! Go! Get!
Why don't you come in and eat with us? I made plenty of lunch.
You don't even... Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh... Yeah, right. Like you would share your lunch with me? You're just trying to get me to come down so that you can gag me and throw me in the closet with the narrator! Well, it's not gonna happen! There's no way you can stop me!
We have those little lemon poppy seed muffins.
Huh?
It's true. They're awfully delicious. If you promise not to eat us, you can eat with us.
Are you serious?
Of course.
Well, okay. I guess so.
Yay! Come on in, Wolf.
Wow, thanks guys. And so, Wolf and the three little pigs enjoyed a large and tasty pork-free lunch.
Wait, how did you get out of the supply closet?
I'm the narrator. I narrated myself out.
I don't remember that.
You were a little busy with your wrecking ball.
Oh, right.
Which, might I add, did make for a pretty good story.
Hey, narrator, do you want to join us for lunch?
Sure, why not? It's my lunch break anyway.
Yay!
The...
Wait. Can I say it?
Fine.
The end. Hey guys! Guys! You forgot me! Guys! Guys! You know this wrecking ball is still out here. Here, Wolf, have a lemon poppy seed muffin. Alright! Thanks!
Get off! I have technical problems! Help! Help! Get it off! Get it off! Hands off! Hands off!
I think we have a dead possum! Hee hee.